Hello, welcome. So we're going to start with the juprb 15 biology past question. Question 10. Organisms that require oxygen to grow are called A. Psychophilic organisms, B. Thermophilic organisms, C. Aerobes, D. Thermophiles. So you have the correct answer here to be C. Aerobes. Now example of these aerobes are humans like you and I, and other mammals such as cat, dog, etc. Now, psychophilic organisms grow and reproduce in cold regions. That means they live in regions with low temperature, while thermophilic organisms live and grow and reproduce in hot regions. Hyperthermophiles, from the name hyper, it means that they stay, grow and reproduce in extremely hot regions. So hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question.